Environment. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. How do human beings modify this natural environment? The car fumes petrols, the air, water is collected in a pot, food is reserved in vessels, and land is used to build factories. Human beings make cars, mills, factories, and manufactures containers. This is how human beings modify natural environment. Environment is derived from a French word environneur meaning neighborhood. The place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called an environment. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomenon, while the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on Earth. An environment is formed by both biotic component and abiotic component. Biotic means the living ones and the abiotic means the non-living ones. Components of environment are human-made, natural, and humans. About the natural environment. Land, water, air, plants, and animals comprise the natural environment. Lithosphere. It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continents and are also the ocean floors. The domain of the water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises the various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. The atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays of and reaching the heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust, and water vapors. The changes in the atmosphere produce changes in the weather and climate. Plants and animal kingdom together make about ecosystem. All plants, animals, and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be no an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lakes, river, ocean, and even a small pond. We have learned about the natural environment. Now we are going to learn about the human environment. Human environment. Human beings interacted with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They lead themselves simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them and became more varied. Human learns new ways to use the changed environment. They learn to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead to a settled life.